Alright guys, Shut Up and Fish back here. Today's Sunday, January 21st. It's not that cold out. Snow, we currently have no snow on the ground. Supposed to get a big blizzard tonight. Just pulled in my garage from work. And I'm heading right back out. Go fishing with Elijah, he's already down there. So hopefully we can catch some fish. Alright, we'll catch you back at the lake. Alright guys, we just got out to the lake. Elijah's been out here for a while.
Only caught 2 fish.
Yeah, he said he caught a 21-inch walleye.
Yeah.
And a smaller catfish. So hopefully we can start marking fish and catch some. Today I'm not using the wax worm like I normally use. I'm using these crappie bites. I got them out of Mystery Tackle Box last year. They smell pretty bad, so hopefully we can catch some fish. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours. I haven't caught anything. I haven't been marking anything either, but Elijah's caught a couple decent bluegill. We just threw them back. Just moved the shelter. It's starting to rain on us. Hopefully that'll turn into snow pretty quick here, so we can get a snow day tomorrow. So, I don't know if I'll catch any fish, but hopefully I can catch you guys back with some more. Alright guys, moved over Lance's shack. So Elijah's marking anything or catching anything. Lance has got 4 on the ice right now, so hopefully we can start marking them right here real quick.
I wonder where my little tripod is.
Alright, get you back with some fish. Yep.
I wonder if I even have a freaking... Yeah, I'm sure that's what it was. Yeah, he took my line.
You want to keep this?
No, you just toss him back. He's not that big. He looks really skinny.
It's pretty long.
Yeah, but there's really not that much meat on there. Wait, let me see him. Look at it. Let me see like the top view down his plane. Dude, shut!
What is that? Is that a walleye?
Yeah, it's... Connor! Isaiah just caught like a 5-inch walleye.
Really?
Yeah, it's fucking tiny. That's not a stalker.
Oh, it's got a minnow in its mouth.
It's got a minnow in its mouth. Bro, they didn't stock 5-inch walleye. Dude, that is tiny. That's just... Come look at this.
Hold on.
It's fucking... It's got a
It's a
minnow in its
walleye.
mouth. That might be the one you dropped down there.
Who?
You earlier. Dude. This is sick.
That probably is the one I dropped down.
Where's my camera? I want to take a picture of this. Yeah, we're probably gonna fly it up. Pull out left floor. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep this one. Holy fuck!
Jesus. Lance caught another walleye.
It's a monster, dude. Look at that. Look at them chompers. Oh my god.
He's trying to bite you.
Oh shit! Don't look at it. Connor, come here. It's huge. Yeah. Come over here. Before it dies, dude.
That one.
Oh, it's pulling good. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Transducer.
Oh, what the fuck? Why was he pulling drag, dude?
Because that drag is really low.
Turn that bitch up, bro. Dude, I thought it was gonna be like a 3-pound bass or something, or a cat. Like a 6-inch bluegill. You was pulling Jack like a bitch too. I thought it was huge.
Freaking dink bluegill. Alright guys, back in shelter with Elijah. I wasn't marking any fish over there for a while. And my phone died.
And he fell through the hole.
And I kind of fell through the hole. Kind of hurt. So, yeah. Caught quite a few fish over there. Well, not quite a few, but a bit. So, wish I would have got them on camera, but, you know, phone died. But, hopefully we can start marking them again and catch some more before I head back up. School got canceled for tomorrow. Kind of excited about that. So, alright, hopefully we can get back to you with some fish. Alright guys, I didn't get the catch on video, but just caught this probably 11, 12 inch crappie. It marked them. We saw a bunch of marks come up pretty high, and I went up high and nothing was happening. I dropped it low and this chased it. So they must have moved high real quick, and then this one dropped right back down with my bait. So alright, we'll get a release. There you go. Alright guys, I just got back to the car. It's about probably about 9:45. It's not terribly cold out. Hasn't started to snow yet. Kind of iffy about if we should have really got that snow day. I mean, I'm not complaining, I don't have to go to school. But it hasn't started snowing yet, but it's good. It was a nice day. The bite was on and off. It's either you had a mark or you didn't. So whenever we had marks, we mostly caught them, but marks weren't as good as they were last weekend, which is kind of disappointing. But otherwise, it was a nice day. So, alright, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. So, alright, Shut Up and Fish, signing out. Alright guys, it's the day after we went fishing, and you see we got a lot of snow on the ground. Didn't have any snow yesterday. We had a blizzard come through starting last night, then through most of the day today. It's about 7 o'clock right now. So we got about 8 to 12 inches of snow, so got a pretty good amount. Alright, just thought I'd show you guys how much snow we got.